Gold traded bullish for the day. I asked you to buy at 2048 levels and what it has achieved 2058, while silver has shown no intent to break past 2280 levels so far, the critical resistance levels. So, what to expect today from gold and silver with the US session? How to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Second update for the day, those who are new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get both the updates. First update I release with the Asia and Europe session. Do join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And yes, do like, share, and comment, friends. It's a great motivation always. Let's start first gold, followed with set. Watch till the end. If you look at the hourly charts, move is simple. Rise, consolidation, rise, consolidation, rise. Now three steps are done. It is staying in this bullish channel. Very, very clear. Where is the bottom of the channel? Somewhere here at close to 20, 40, 42 zone. Yes, earlier in the day, it tried to move below 20, 40, 42, move toward 20, 38 and bounce back. And if you look at the top here, this candle has started with the top and now looking downwards. Possibility of a slight retracement exists where it can again try to move towards 20 period moving average sitting at around 2045. Stochastic overbought, MACD is divergent and bullish looking upwards. RSI is also near to overbought zone. Coming to 2 hour, look at 2 hour charts here. See what has happened here. What has happened here. Also, one must notice the bullishness here and here has diminished. So it is trying to retrace a little. Now, retracement does not mean a reversal. What has happened? You can look at it can again try to come closer towards 20 period moving average but at a slower pace, thus 44 45 should be a greater support if it continues to stay bearish from here. Stochastic rising, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI overbought. Coming to 3 hour, similar is the observation on the 3 hour charts. Yes, this candle has started outside Bollinger Bands and that is why it is trying to get a push on the downside. See, it can try to trade in this fashion here where it appears somewhere around 2045 levels should be a greater support for gold on the downside. Stochastic rising here, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI is also flat and at the top right now. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour charts, remember the preceding candle comes with a bigger tail. This suggests that there was an upward push here and this candle has started outside Bollinger Bands. So once you see it is staying above 2058 levels, we can again look forward to see 2060 65 in the zone. I have mentioned several times that this is the zone gold needs to break in order to continue its journey towards 2100 levels. So possibly if it stays above 2058 levels, we can look forward to 2062.5 and 2065 levels. This is going to be the next targets you can buy here at 2058. Moving average is starting to diverge, looking bullish as of now. RSI overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI again, RSI flat. So stochastic was overbought earlier. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, we can look at moving averages crossing over here, trading with divergence. Price is taking the support from the 20 period moving average. And I have shared this earlier in the day. See, rise, consolidation, rise here, and it can continue to stay bullish. Right now, it is getting support resistance from the upside from the top of the Bollinger Bands. Also, if you look at the zone here, multiple times it failed to break beyond 2060-65 zone. So I will be definitely watchful of this. Also, if you look at, this is the second bullish candle here in succession after retracement, minor bullish candle, then increasing body size and then further increasing body size. So yes, appears that the day move for the day is done and it can try to show you swings from the current levels. But if you see it is staying about 2058, you can buy here for 2062.5, 2065 zone, though I'll be looking forward to a slight retracement towards 2048.50. Even if it has to stay bullish, it can try to retrace a little. Stochastic rising, MACD divergent in bullish, RSI is. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicator. Time for me to give you the strategy here before I give you the levels. If you want to learn this art of trading, join the 29th mentorship batch starting 4th of March. The link is shared in the communities tab and in the channel and video description as well. Yes, you can reach out to me via telegram or email for your queries related to the mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, again, you can write an email or you can ping me on telegram. Do join the free telegram channel for live market updates. And those who ask me to recommend a broker, the broker where you can trade safely, which offers a swap free account where the spreads are lowest and the withdrawals are possible across the globe with safe trades. Yes, you can join the broker mentioned in the channel and video description. Now considering this, buying entries are very clear. 2058 levels, you can sell here at 2052, but it is going to be a slightly riskier trade. 2048 should be the first target levels, then 2044-45. I do not see it breaking below 2044-45 soon, but yes, if it does trade below 2044-45, we can say that gold is turning bearish, and then again 38-40 zone should come into picture, chances for which appears to be less. I expect it to remain in range. The lows for the day is done and possibly the highs for the day are also done. Thus, you need to trade with caution. It may show you swings. Now let's have a look at silver. See, silver on the hourly charts first. Resistance at 2280 was very clear. The drop, the retracement, lower highs. I will wait for it to break beyond 2280. Certainly, 2280 is the zone it needs to break in order to confirm a rise towards $23 levels. 23 is the next resistance. Rather, I will say till 2320, every 10 cents you have to put a trailing stop loss, because 2290, 23, 2310, 2320, all of this completely a very, very strong resistance. Beyond that, we all know 2350, 60 is the zone it needs to break. Now, if you look at right now, it is skewed slightly on the downside. I will watch out how it behaves if it continues to trade on the upside above 2280. On the downside, you can take a sell entry here at 2260 levels, which is indeed a great support. But in fact, we have seen today earlier in the day 2250 giving it a support, and that is why I have mentioned earlier in the day as well. As long as 2220 is respected, you have to put a 10 cents trailing stop loss. There are great supports on the downside. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, trying to trade with slight divergence. RSI is flat, coming to 2 hour. On the 2 hour charts, a reversal sign, symmetrical formation. So can we expect this candle to bounce back again? Possibilities there. And if it breaks out beyond 2280, certainly the bulls will take over. Right now, it is not showing any intent. Thus, we have to wait for it to break below 2260 in order to confirm the sell. Moving averages trading with divergence, and this is bullish. This is a bullish crossover in silver. Stochastic rising, MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit. RSI is staying flat. On the 3 hour, one must look at the 3 hour chart. See, there was a reversal sign here. One bearish candle bounced back lower highs, and now it is trying to move in the same direction. There is a possibility of a reversal as well. However, you have to be watchful, as if you look both the metals gold and silver in tandem, it appears gold is showing bullishness. Thus, in fact, even it tries to trade bearish, I think it is going to be difficult for silver to break below 2240 levels in any case. Stochastic has dropped, MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI is flat, coming to 4 hour. Similar observation here, lower highs, lower lows, so we can expect it to retrace a little. Stochastic near to overbought, looking downwards. MACD is divergent, MACD is bullish, looking upwards. RSI is flat. Coming to daily. Now look at daily chart. See, reversal sign was seen. It is the current candle has formed a tail. I will wait for it a breakout about 2280. See, 2290, 23, very good resistance, and then 2320. So yes, it could still continue to rise, but you have to put a 10 cents trailing stop loss. Only buying entry is if you see lower prices about 2280, you can buy. Else, the possibility of a down move is also there. However, remember, higher lows, higher highs. 2240, I do not think so that it is going to break 2240 today. Stochastic rising, MACD is trying to converge. It is in sell, RSI flat. Considering this, very simple, buy at 2280, sell at 2260. On the downside, at as long as 2240 is respected, put a 10 cents trailing stop loss 2250, 2240. Below that, we may in fact, I will say 2220. As long as 2220 is there, very good support for silver exists. And I had shown you why silver can trade bullish from the current levels earlier in the day. Why silver can rise, double bottom, rise, retracement, higher lows, and a breakout here is going to be stronger one. And on the upside, beyond 2280, certainly 23, 20, 2290, 23, 2310, 2320. As long as 2320 is respected, you have to be careful. Beyond that, we will look forward to 2350, 60 zone. If not today, possibly sometime in the next week. Yes, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join the mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Do join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Write an email or ping me on Telegram for any of your queries. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.